Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can deposit any amount of crypto in your Binance account. Yes, so I will urge you to follow this video to the end so that you know every step that you follow to deposit any amount of crypto, being Bitcoin, USDT, BNB coin in your Binance account. You know, the deposit of crypto, sometimes there are fraudulent activities in it. So this video will be a guide for you to know how you can easily deposit any amount of crypto in your Binance account. So if you are a first timer, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also share the video to your friends so that they also benefit from this video. Now let's get started. Open your Binance app, then you go to the more here. As you can see, the more, you click on the more, then you see P2P. You click on P2P. So once it is open, you see we have buy here and sell here. Okay, because we want to deposit fund into our crypto wallet, we go to buy. So we want to buy USDT. You click on buy, and here these are the number of people that you can buy your USDT from. Okay, so let's see, look at something here. This person is selling his USDT for 16 cedis, 2 pesos. Okay, and the amount that he want is between 1,000 cedis and 2,000 cedis. Okay, and he is holding 177 USDT, and the payment method he wants is what? Only MTN mobile money. Let's look at this person too. This person, the payment method is MTN mobile money, and he is selling an amount between 700 Ghana cedis to 3,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if the amount of crypto that you want to buy fall within his spec, that's the amount here, you can just purchase from this person. And let's look at this person too. The payment method is Vodafone Cash, MTN mobile money, Airtel Tigo money. Okay, and he is selling the crypto for 1 USDT for 16 cedis, 02 pesos, and the limit is between 800 cedis to 3,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so to skip this one, if you have any amount of money that you want to use to buy crypto, you can see at the top section here we have where the P2P is. You click there and you go to Express. You click on Express, and here the amount that you want to buy, you just input the amount here. So for the sake of this video, I want to use 150 cedis to buy the USDT. Okay, you click on this, then you can see we have it is at the USDT. One important thing I want you to know is that the USDT, it is a stable coin. So if you buy 150 cedis, the amount of USDT you are going to get remains unchanged. But if you go and select Bitcoin, or you select any of the coins which is not a stable coin, for instance, if you select Bitcoin and you buy, let's say, 150 cedis, instead of getting almost 9.4 USDT, you will get less than 9.4 USDT because Bitcoin is not a stable coin. Okay, so the best way is to buy USDT, and if you want to convert it to BTC or any other crypto coin, you can just convert it. So let's use USDT. The amount I want to buy is 150 cedis. Okay, then from there you click on what? Buy USDT. So when you click on buy USDT, you select the payment method that you want. If you want to pay through MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash, you select that one as well. So I want to pay through MTN mobile money, then you click on confirm purchase. So after that, you'll see Binance will give you a verified crypto seller who want to sell his crypto to you. So you can see the amount you want to buy is 150 cedis, the price is 16 cedis, 05 pesos, and the amount I'm going to receive is 9.34 USDT. Okay, then you can see we have this chat icon here. You click on the chat icon, and the person says send your mobile money number, allow cash out, and approve transaction. Okay, the name on the transaction is Genesis. So here you first have to send your mobile money number to the person, then you allow cash out on your phone. So this is my phone number. If you want to buy it, then you send your mobile money number to the person. You click on send. So once your number is sent, then you go back to your dial pad, and you that *170 hash to go and allow cash out there, because you want the crypto holder to deduct the amount that you want him to deduct from your phone, then send the USDT to you. So you click on allow cash out, which is 4. Okay, then you click on yes. Once cash out is allowed, then you go back to the Binance and tell him cash out allowed, cash out allowed. Okay, then you send it. So once cash out is allowed, payment prompt will come to your phone. Then you input your Momo pin to send the money to this person, as you can see. Then you just input your mobile money pin to forward the transaction. Okay, then you just go ahead to tell him payment made, payment made. Okay, click on make payment, then you click on what, transfer, notify seller. This is very important. You notify the seller that you have made the payment to his number. Okay, then you click on that. So once the payment is made, the 9.34 USDT will be sent to your this. So you can see your order has been processed. So 9.34 has been sent to my crypto wallet. So this is how you can easily buy any crypto coin from any seller without scam. Okay, this is very simple. So once it is processed, then you go back here, then you go back to check if the money has been sent to your funding wallet. Okay, so you click on, you go to wallet, then you go to funding. Okay, so the funding, let me just unhide this. Yes, so you can see now I was having 10 USDT. Okay, and now my USDT is now $19, which means the $9 has been sent successfully. So let me also go to the notification to check if the deposit was successful. Go to notification, then you can see P2P order notification. Okay, so your order, this was the last date, total 9.34 USDT has been completed. Okay, so the seller has released the USDT. So this is the simple step that you can follow to buy any amount of crypto in your crypto exchange wallet. So in the next video, we are going to learn about how you can sell any amount of cryptocurrency to any crypto holder, then you receive it through your mobile money or your bank account. This is very simple, and that's what we are going to learn in the next video. So if you like this video and like watching content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. So do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.